Welcome to Iyalia Engineering Solutions India Private Limited. It was established in the year 2010. Since its inception, the factory has devoted its complete endeavor and energy in manufacturing and delivering quality products and special-purpose machineries. It has improved in its quality and customers' contacts by generating in its profitable measures. Our products have covered most of its variegated applications in this fast-growing world. Our machineries have extended its hands from local to the overseas. Our machineries delivered all along had won a highly remarkable reputation. The company is set on the basic principle, offering you a complete choice of products which include industrial automation, high-speed bar feeder machine, special purpose machine for plastic molding machines and automatic bar feeder machine, hydraulic press machine, industrial automation solutions, SPM machines, rotary assembly machine.We are leading manufacturing of special-purpose machines for high-speed tapping machine, multi-tapping machine, chamfering machine, bar feeder machine, facing and chamfering machine, bowl feeder, screw-making machine, parking sensor bumper punching machine, CNC turning machine, crimping machine, pin assembly machine, speaker grill bending machine, vibratory bowl feeder machine, hydraulic press machine, universal joint cross four-way drilling machine, air leak testing machine, tube cutting machine, multi-head drilling cum tapping machine. We are the best machine manufacturer, sold all over India. We are direct support from raw material manufacturer. Our team will teach how to make high production.We are manufacturing company in India from Coimbatore. If any clarification, please call us. Thanks for watching the video.